This is a very, very, very late production D4-7U. Like, we're talking of the last 55 to be exact. It's a 14,000 serial number, which dates it to 1958. And the unique thing about this is it's one of 55, so I'm told, with the seat start option, which is unique because most Caterpillars in a pony motor, you would be starting it from the left side of the tractor, leaning against the track while hoping you left it in neutral when you're cranking the main motor over. And that's how a lot of guys got hurt in the early days, and part of why they went away from these setups, aside from it being extra clunky and an absolute nightmare to work on. But some of us weirdos are diehards, and we like to keep things original, and we like to put them how they were, because in order to know where we're headed, you got to know where we came from. That's a huge part of preserving this history. To preface this a little bit, I received this tractor as a part of a trade deal I did with a good friend of mine, and a machine that he wanted that would work better for him. And I am a little bit of a diehard when it comes to this old yellow iron, and even the new yellow iron, really. So got a chance to buy it or to trade it, I absolutely jumped at it. And I'm glad I did. This is kind of a neat piece of history to be working on, and I don't know very many others in Southern California. So in 1958, this tractor was sold new to an owner-operator from Hawthorne Machinery down in San Diego. It was their branch one, way down off of the 805, like Kearney Mesa area, Miramar kind of. Which I think actually might have been Chula Vista, but don't quote me on that. But this machine's been a San Diego machine its whole life. Right now we're working on the main throttle linkage. It's been Mickey Mouse for many years. I'm gonna fix that here as we go. Make it a little bit more usable. Plan is, when this is done, is to go to all the tractor shows, Caterpillar expositions, as well as fire protection for our homestead out here. ADHD. I don't know what AD is, but I got 80 of them.